Okay, what is the I-140 Compelling Circumstances EAD? This is the third item I'm going to talk about for those that were tech workers and have been laid off and have been on visas. The I-140 Compelling Circumstances EAD is a relatively little known form of relief. It was created during the Obama administration, and it was meant for people who are on visas, like work visas, like the H-1B or the L-1 or the the E-3 or things like that, L-1, who have approved I-140s, but let's say suffer a serious illness or severe disruption to your employment, like retaliation or something like really crazy, or some serious disruption just to the employer itself, above and beyond what's kind of normally happens in the course of business. If that happens, the form of relief would allow you to apply for an EAD, and while you apply, you remain kind of in a period of authorized stay. And if it's approved, you get an EAD for a period of 1 year, and you keep that period of authorized stay for you and your family. So it sounds pretty good, right? What are the downsides? Would this work for you if you were a victim of one of the recent layoffs? And the answer is, it's really hard to say. It's pretty clear that a mere loss of your job due to a layoff is not compelling from USCIS's perspective. However, these are not normal times, and USCIS has even published a whole page devoted to resources for people who were laid off, and they list the I-140, compelling circumstances EAD there. So, there's a chance that they could treat this entire time, these economic conditions, as pretty historic and not frequent, pretty serious, and as a whole, may be considered a compelling circumstance. So it really depends on how good of a case you can make. There's no guarantee. It's case by case, and therefore pretty risky. So should you do it? You should try it, but you have to understand that first of all, it may not work. And if it doesn't work, then retroactively, you'll be out of status. You haven't maintained your period of stay. So certainly, think about it, talk to a lawyer, something to consider. There's not a lot of experiences out there. Not a lot of lawyers have filed for these. There's a lot of anecdotal evidence about it, but definitely something that the government provides as a form of possible relief. Any questions? Feel free to let me know. info@banyan.law. My name is Sameer, and hopefully this is helpful. Thank you.